Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Weibang WBLT567SC self-propelled 4-stroke gasoline wheeled trimmer, a powerful and versatile tool, designed for both professional and hobbyist use. This model, designed to easily tackle even the most challenging green areas, combines robustness and ease of use, offering a reliable solution for green maintenance. The distinctive feature of the Weibang WBLT567SC trimmer is its gear-driven traction, which allows the speed to be adjusted according to the terrain and work requirements. This system ensures superior control during operation, improving efficiency and reducing operator fatigue. The nylon cutting apparatus ensures excellent cutting precision and effectiveness even in dense vegetation. Built with high-quality materials to withstand intensive use, the Weibang WBLT567SC trimmer stands out for its combination of advanced technology and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for those seeking high performance and reliability over time. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.